So most procrastination systems I have tried didn't work for me until I discovered my own one. I really hope this video provides value to you, and I hope you watched until the end because there's a big idea I want to share. And before that, I need to talk about how I discovered it actually. I actually discovered the idea while pursuing my 12-week strategy because I know I'm a good procrastinator, especially because of my ADHD. While I'm pursuing my 90-day challenge to 5K as a content business, the link is down below in the description if you're interested in the newsletter, I gathered really interesting insights about myself and our dopamine-driven brains. So when we set a specific goal we want to reach in a specific time frame, reverse engineer it, and then execute the system, we get laser focused on our to-dos and tasks. And wait, it gets even better. So while executing my 12-week year and trying to achieve my goal to make 5K, I collect tasks over the course of an entire week. And every single day I get new ideas, and that's what we need to do. Because we mostly tell ourselves, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. When tomorrow arises, we just don't think about that anymore and simply forget it. And by including a weekly list of to-dos and tasks and write it down immediately what task I want to do and leave it open on a second monitor while working, I never missed the task I need to do per week. You probably will not believe me because it sounds so simple, but our brain mostly forget things really fast. So we need to create a space for new or more important things. So coming to my big idea, give yourself a week for all to-dos. We are often not motivated for specific things each day. And by giving ourselves a week and keep a weekly task open, like I'm doing here in this example, I check every single day what is on and include every single things I want to do. And sometimes for the next week, or funny in 3 weeks, sometimes I stretch it over. And when I stretch it over in 3 weeks, I know this will become relevant in 3 weeks. And if I don't finish a task in an entire week, it is probably not that important for me. So I delete it just. And in really rare occasions, I send it to next week. And honestly, I get all my check marks done. And please give it a try for several weeks and let me know how it works. And if you're interested in more, feel free to sign up to my newsletter, link is down below, or see you in my next video.